Hi everyone, this is Ashnat Kothari here. First of all, big congratulations to all of you who had appeared for ACET and have cleared it. This is your first step towards your larger dream of becoming a fellow actuary. Wish you loads of success for your future papers as well. For ones who weren't able to clear their papers, ACET basically this session, don't get demotivated. This is just a small roadblock in the larger scheme of things in your journey towards becoming a fellow actuary. Take some time, see where you went wrong, where did your preparation lacked, was it conceptually or was it, being able to solve exam based questions in a time bound manner. Introspect and prepare well and appear for it again, and hopefully you would be clearing it in your next shot. In case you're looking for any sort of assistance with respect to understanding the concepts, or you need certain practice questions for same, do feel free to reach out to us. Finatics does offer classes and preparatory resources for ACET as well. So in this video, what I'm going to discuss is for ones who have cleared ACET, what should be the next step. So as a part of that, we are holding one-to-one sessions with all of you who want guidance regarding what should be the next step, which paper or papers you should be preparing for. In this video also, I would be talking about the few general combinations which students could take. And then if any one of you is looking for any specific guidance, keeping in mind your own background and the time you can devote, and are also planning to take classes from us, we are holding one-to-one sessions regarding these. So first of all, to begin with, the papers which we would suggest students in general to start for the December 2022 session is CM1. If you're starting to prepare for the paper in the month of July, or let's say in the first couple of weeks of August. Post that, we would be suggesting to prepare for CS1, given that CM1 has a higher syllabus, higher quantum of syllabus compared to CS1. So, in the last, if you are left with just 3.5 months and you haven't started with your preparation, then CS1 might be a more better choice compared to CM1. Alternatively, students could prepare for CB1 or CB2. CB1 is finance and accounts. CB2 is economics. So ideally, if you're studying for just one paper, we will suggest CM1 or CS1. In case you're looking for two papers, there are different combinations. You could prepare for CM1 and CS1. Major advantage of it is you will get to study two of the main papers together itself, which will give you a, I would say, decent idea with respect to what further exams, at least the next few exams, require on your part. The disadvantage of this combination could be these two papers would involve, would require significant time of yours. So I would suggest that only if you have a lot of time to devote towards your actual preparation till the time the exams do not start. That is right now they're scheduled in the month of December. Then only think of CM1 and CS1 together. Alternatively, you could go with CV1 in case you have a prior background in accounts or finance or have an inclination towards same. Alternatively, could think of CB2 as well in case you have some prior background or inclination towards economics. See, the good part about all these four papers is that they do not require much prerequisite knowledge apart from the fact that students should know English and the concepts of maths taught generally in school till class 12. Even when we Fanatics are offering classes for all these papers, our only prerequisite is the same, that students should know English and the basic concepts of maths taught at school level till class 12. And if you have actually studied for ACET, all these are more or less covered. Apart from that, we would be starting everything right from the scratch so that you are in a position to not just somehow study for the paper, but be in a position to master the concepts taught, covered in the paper, and also have the ability to apply it in real life. So the examinations are scheduled to be held in December, whether offline or online, it's not confirmed. IAI has shown its inclination to hold the exams in offline format if COVID situation allows. But again, that is something we need to wait for a final confirmation. So I would suggest you all not to bother about whether exams will be online or offline. What will be the structure? Will we have MCQs like we are having right now for certain papers, or will we not have MCQs when offline exam starts? This is something we should wait for. Don't worry, we at Fanatics would be covering you all under all the cases, whether it's online or offline. We would be having content or resources, or any other thing which comes up, anything unexpected. We would be there to help you in preparation of same. Right now, your focus should remain on covering the key concepts, which remains the same, where whether it's an online paper or offline paper. And once there is a final confirmation from IAI regarding it, we would be there assisting you as to how to go about your preparation, certain exam techniques which might help you to score pretty well in examinations. So this was regarding the counseling part as to which paper to give. So now we have been getting a lot of requests from students to start with a new batch specifically for December session, given that it's being held at an awkward time. Generally, the two sessions which II used to conduct were at separate months. So we have decided to start with a new batch specifically for students appearing from IAI in December 2022 session. The first orientation lecture for all the classes which we provide is on 10th of July, which is just the next Sunday. So do feel free to reach out to us, in case you are looking for guidance and to prepare extremely well towards your preparation. Do free to reach out to us. We have a lot of demo lectures uploaded on our YouTube channel, which will give you an understanding as to how we go about with our preparation and teaching. And in case you do like the way we teach around, you can also see our track record, which has been phenomenal. We have had certain terms wherein in certain papers, all the students appearing for the exams have cleared it from IIM. We have been able to deliver all India toppers as well on a very consistent basis. If I'm not wrong, we have been able to so far teach, four of the students who have gone ahead and secured all India rank one. And this is on an extremely small base. So we have a maximum intake of students. We prefer to, give a lot of time to the students we take. It's just not madness. Enrollment of students. We have a single batch for each paper for each session, and we have a restricted batch size so as to ensure that sufficient time is received by students from the faculty itself, and so that all of the students, not just one or two, produce extremely good results. So 10th July is the date. Do note this down. This is for the December session itself. Classes are available in offline mode in Calcutta currently. Those are being streamed online as well. So from whichever part of the country you are or whichever part of the world you can attend our classes. We also have pre-recorded lectures available. Students have the flexibility to use any one of them. You could come visit the offline center, alternatively visit the online class, and in case you need to watch classes at your own pace, you would be getting access to the recordings of it as well. So whether you are a student right out of class 12, or you are pursuing a graduation or post-graduation, or whether you are a working individual, we have all sort of content which would be, ensuring that you are in a position to have an extremely good preparation for your examinations. So that is all from my end. Hope that all of you did find this video useful. Please don't forget to like this video, share it with your relevant network who are pursuing actuarial science, and do comment as well in case you are looking for any further queries. And yes, that's it. Thanks everyone again.